The JBL Pro Connect App is a universal control application available for Android and iOS phones and tablets. JBL Pro Connect opens up a world of possibilities for hands-on control over a full suite of mixer, DSP, and Bluetooth features. Today, we're pleased to introduce the new version 2.0 update for the JBL Pro Connect app. Along with general performance improvements and firmware updates for all supported speaker models, this new update also brings some brand new features that we'll cover here in this video. Once you successfully update the Pro Connect app, make sure to update your speaker to the newest firmware version available. Check out our Anytime Help Center for instructions and videos on updating if you're unsure about your speaker's firmware version. The first thing that you'll notice when entering the Pro Connect app is the new Demo Mode. Demo Mode will allow you to add speakers to an offline configuration, making it possible to build out snapshots while you're away without a speaker connected, then upload those snapshots to your live speaker once you're on-site and connected. You can even try out some of the features of a speaker you might not own just yet. To access Demo Mode, simply tap the Enter Demo Mode button in the top corner of the app. Once in Demo Mode, you can press the Add Speakers button. Here you'll find all the Pro Connect app-capable speakers available to choose from and add to the setup. With the speakers added, you can now go in like you normally would and make any changes to build out your custom configuration. Once you're done, you can save snapshots and the snapshots will store on your device for when you're ready to connect and upload them to a live speaker. Speaking of snapshots, we've also increased multilingual support for snapshot naming on all speaker models. Inside the speaker settings, you'll find that we've also added full-screen support for various sections like the mixer, EQ, and dynamics to offer a higher degree of resolution for editing and adjusting faders and parameters. Finally, the option for your mix-out to be pre- or post-fader can now be selected under the mix-out settings for all speaker models that support mix-out, allowing new variety and use case scenarios for those speakers. That's all for our Pro Connect App 2.0 update overview. You can find full update release notes, product information, and troubleshooting tips at jblpro.com or our Anytime Help Center at help.harmanpro.com.